Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It's Monday. We're going to try making some money today. Good morning, Brett. Hopefully, all you guys had a great evening last night. We had a solid traders hangout, and today we're going to try making some monies. So, from my lips to God's ears, we're going to get it, and we'll just keep it moving from there. I'm trying to finish setting some of my stuff up. I had to help Brenda handle something real quick, so I came up to the office later than usual. So, there we go. Beautiful. Almost like I did it on purpose.
Morning, fellas.
Morning, G.
How's it going?
Oh. I'm ready to make some money today. I don't know about y'all, but I'm here ready to execute and make some money today because, man, oh man, I'm going to Canada this coming Sunday. So I got to make some more money. Yeah, all that's rolling. So let me jump on these charts on my trading view real quick. Let's see what happened last night once we got off. Nothing too crazy, actually. Just looking at this. Currently, I'm marking up my charts on TradingView for Friday's high, Friday's low, all that good stuff. I always do this before every session because I feel like it lets me know a little bit where we were so I can see where we may be trying to go. Close from Friday, 931.75. 931.75. So we definitely gapped down yesterday. So we want to keep that in mind when we're looking for trades, everything like that. Chart view. There we go, Betsy.
Yeah, good morning, y'all. Good morning.
Good morning, Jose. How you feeling this morning, brother? How you feeling, sir? What was that?
It's 25 degrees out here.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, I don't deal with those weathers.
Yep, no, I'll be in the cold on Sunday. I'm like not ready for it. Morning is. Let me rotate over here. There we go. Let me get some lines on the chart. I get the lines. This is a weird looking 5-minute chart. We were literally just consolidating on the 5-minute. Alrighty. Oh, there we go. It's looking kind of crazy. So what do you guys think? We going up or down?
Looking at it, like I think it's gonna go down.
Okay. Brett, it won't be cold. Like, is it going to be cold for me but warm for you? That's the question. Because your cold and my cold are two different colds. Let me jump on Make sure we're sounding crispy today. Gotta make sure we're crispy.
You sound crispy like chicken, mother.
Morning, Steve.
Hey, how are you?
Another day in paradise, man. Can't complain. Can't complain. Man, BP, that means we were right? That's crazy. Almost like we somewhat know how to trade a little bit.
What is you referencing?
Oh, last night on the Traders Hangout,
Oh, okay.
people were saying, go long. Full port long. I'm like, don't do that. I wouldn't do that.
I looked last night, so I agree with you because I didn't think it was going to go long. So.
Warren Dillon. Yeah, it was not a long opportunity last night. I'm like, yeah, this is looking like very bearish with the bear flag as well. So I wouldn't be going long in a bear flag.
When I popped in earlier, I did in the broadcast, there was 2 bear flags in a row, and it's going lower. And I just said, so yeah.
Today, lesson for today, we're gonna have patience. We're gonna wait for our moves, and then we will execute. There's no rush to this, people. No rush. So let's just be safe in the markets today, so we can actually make some money. Hopefully we don't chop. We'll see, because if it chops, then I won't take a trade, because I realize I suck at trading the chop.
I think everybody does.
BP, I didn't struggle to wake up this morning. I woke up like, man, I want 10 more minutes. And guess what I did? I took 10 more minutes to roll out of bed.
That was a long way you had to roll then.
It was a long way. It was a long way. We got 3 minutes. Well, coming up on 2 minutes now. Coming up on 2 minutes for market open here. People, hopefully today we get some good movement. I want movement like the first Friday of the year, because that was like just a perfect trading environment that day.
I keep hearing about that, and of course I was the one that I missed. That's not even fair.
Dylan, from your lips to God's ears, bro. We'll see what we get. Yeah, BP, I did not wake up 3 hours ago. I woke up literally at 8 o'clock because the doctor's office I was going to call, like, oh, you may need to go see your urologist. Oh, okay, thank you. And all that good stuff. So try going back to bed after that. Kids were getting ready for school, everything like that. Brenda was wrangling the children for school. Then I helped her set up one of her computers real quick because she wasn't here. And now I'm just ready to make some money. That's it. Want to make $1 or $2 a day? Coming up to that VWAP. There we go. Just tapping that VWAP before market open here. So be careful.
Over the VWAP, right?
We're slightly above it, but we're literally just staying right around the VWAP now, above it. So we'll see what we get at market open. Here's market open.
Woo!
All right, we do have a gap fill because we close on Friday, 931.75, 931.75. So we did come down yesterday. So you got to keep that in mind as well. BP, just go ahead and pass the entire account today, bro. I don't know why you're waiting. Oh, now I get to wait 15 minutes to trade. So excited. Discipline, discipline, discipline.
Discipline, discipline.
Look at, yo, the Bulls want to push. The Bulls do want to push. And seeing that boner candle like that, man, making me want to jump in. It's making me want to jump in, boys. No, no, no. No order filled. Because I want the payouts more than jumping on this one trade. Whew.
Got up.
Yo.
Oh, there's a man upstairs. That G over there.
Man, this is craziness. Are we getting ready to fill this gap on this first move here?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Because we got a little bit over 100 points, and man, I'm trying to hold, boys. We got this pivot point coming up as well. Right through that pivot. Right through the Jesus. This is straight craziness right now. Why do I have this stupid rule?
Pushing all the way up to Sunday Open too.
Yeah, well, that's crazy.
BP, with Lucid, you can't pass in one day? I thought you could. I guess I should have read that. I just bought the account. I didn't look at how long it takes or how long the minimum is to pass it. All right, we're below this pivot point. Is this pivot going to hold us down? Possibly build out maybe like a bull flag? I got flex too. All right, it's only been 3 minutes, boys, and the FOMO is real today. Let me just blow my nose, do something other than look at this chart for a second.
Alright, made 501 accounts, I'm gonna switch over to my other one, and I'm gonna take it easy now that it's going up and down.
No, trading is not 90% lost money. Trading, you have to have a skill to be able to execute and make money from the market. Good morning, Gus. We're above this pivot. Ooh wee. Ooh wee.
What happened to Duane?
Huh?
I was like, what happened to Duane?
He's a robot. He glitched.
Oh, I glitched?
Yeah, he froze for a minute.
That's not good. Because now, if you guys are saying I glitch, I'm gonna pull up my OBS, make sure connection's good.
Yeah, you were a brick for like 5 seconds. At least.
It's saying we're good.
Well, yeah, but it's not looking into the path.
50% in 2 days. Okay. At least you could pass it in 2 days technically. Because I'll try getting that Lucid account passed by tomorrow as well. That I got. I'll try putting like 4,500 a day and the rest tomorrow. After I trade the funded. Yeah, this opening range is about to be crazy. Because we just gotta get to 931 and that's the close from Friday. How many years of experience do I have? I've been trading my proven strategy at this point for the past year. But I put it together a year and 6 months ago, a year and 7 months ago. No, you don't have to pass it tomorrow, bro. You trade your way, I trade my way. That's all this is. I am in profit, yes. I have not taken a trade yet today, though, so who knows what can happen. But I'm not FOMOing into this great flag of momentum today so far. Proud of myself. You see the trade hit. Yeah, it hit at market open, but wasn't hitting last night on stream. I was saying that. DL, good morning, bro. I want to see like a nice little pullback to build out a bull flag to take us higher. But once we hit 931, who knows what's going to happen? Because at this point, the way the market responded at open today, it's like, okay, we got to be ready. BP with his mitigation in the chat. Love it. So we just had another bull flag print on the 1 minute. And we got one on the 2 minute as well. Get ready to pop up above this previous candle wick. Let's see if we get above there. There we go. Yeah, boys, it looks like today may be a bull market. We'll see at 9:45. And let me also check. Let me jump in the trading journal and look at the economic calendar for today. All right, no news today, so no news Monday. No news Monday, so all right, good to know. Asian highs,
No
that's all the way
news
up
is good
960,
news.
960 for Asian highs. I would really like to see a nice solid bull flag, like on the 5 minute. That would get me excited for 9:45 here.
Yeah, we want, and you always want to see the flag, and you always want to be excited. We know.
Well, I just want to have a little bit more comfort. That's all. So the flags give me more comfort. The momentum gets me excited. BP, you're only the instigator for the traders hangouts. The morning streams you don't instigate. The hangouts you're an instigator with Brenda. You guys be trying to start stuff.
Slow it down.
I feel like this may just be building a big old bull flag. We're gonna see what we get though.
It looks like it's bad. Whoa.
Look at that bottom wick on that 5-minute candle.
Woo.
We got a wick on the 2 minute as well in the 1 minute. So we're gonna be patient and just wait.
The brokerage account is messing up right now, so kind of bummed on that.
Oh, with Trade Evade?
Yeah.
Okay.
They tried to self-fund one and they dropped the ball before, so I'm about to open like 3 more, but it's like I'm definitely not going with them.
Tried Ninja. I never had issues with Ninja.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
No, you're welcome. All right, Betsy, what we gonna do here? Good morning, everybody on the YouTube stream. Welcome. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets. There's no reason to rush, people. Take your time. That's what I learned about trading. We want to rush the process when we rush, we always mess up. So take your time, wait for your moves, and execute. Stay safe in the markets, people. Let's see. I got less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes, I'll be cleared to trade. Yeah, the FOMO is real on this big old candle up. So we're going to see what we get. We are currently above the pivot point, above the 21 EMA, above the VWAP. We have the close from Friday, 931.75 above us. And we got that whole number 900 as well. So let's see how we react at that 900 level. At this point, I definitely feel like we're going to push through that close from Friday. Only because the way we came up for this range is pretty crazy with no news. Less than a minute for me to be cleared, boys. I'm ready to make some monies with y'all. Who's up for the day? I know some of them made some money. I already know. I can feel it. I can feel it. Woke up today kind of congested. I was rushing around this morning, so I didn't get my little nose spray to open me up.
Well, there's been like a huge pollen dump in CFL that is reading.
Okay.
Just because of the variance of the weather, so.
DD, what's up, bro? Ghost, this is futures, bro. But my strategy works for everything. So just because you're trading Forex does not mean you can't use it. Gus, what prop firm, or are you using your own personal money? Who's your broker? All that stuff. I need more information, bro. You definitely need the live data feed.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mitch.
Good morning. How you doing?
Bro, I'm living the freaking dream today. I'm streaming, making money with y'all. There's no better life. Just saying.
Well, I'll hear that.
And now that you're here, Mitch, now I can actually like officially trade. I was waiting for you to come in before I traded.
Right on time.
Jesus, what was that? You saw that on the ring codes. That's kind of scary because we have no news. Yeah, I did not like that little movement we just got there. Interesting. All right, we're back below this pivot point. Ooh. No real thoughts, man. I'm just going to trade the price action today. Flags and momentum. So for me, as long as we get some decent movement, that's all I care about. It's showing like it wants to do like a weird bear flag on that 1 minute, but I would need some on a higher time frame to be real. Yeah, I want to get below that pivot if it's going to try doing a retracement. BP, I've done that before, so no shame in it. When you know the market's gonna move, you gotta take advantage of it. And evals, not funded people. Looking like a bear flag. But we're above this pivot, so I want to get below that pivot. Right now, we don't have follow through. We need follow through if we're trying to take a quick little short here. Golf play? Okay. We got these bottom wicks, so that's why I didn't want to short into a buying wick.
Is that pivot point for you doing the 25, 846 line?
Pivot for me 844.25 for me.
Okay. Trying to get this thing set up correctly and make sure I'm got the right indicator areas.
Okay. Yeah, BP, we're not trying to get funded accounts closed, so I don't trade news and fundeds. It's because trading news is just a wild card.
Yo, D, so I was on a buy, and then I dropped down to where it was like $600. I was down, and then I bought again, and then it came back up, and I popped out as soon as I got positive 300. I was like, no, buzz that. I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
So I was in one contract, and then I was down 600, and then at that point, I went 2 contracts, and it went up, and I was like, okay, let me get a buy while I'm positive.
Yeah, take your profit and run, bro. Take your profit and run. All right, we just popped out of the 15-minute range right there. We're above, well, we're sitting right at this 900 area. We got the close from Friday, 931.75. 931.75. You're good, bro. Is today going to be one of those 5% days when we don't come back down to the 15-minute range? Or are we going to come right back right here? Let's see. Possibly BP. That's what I'm watching right now. I want to see us either pull back to the 15 or build out bull flag above to take us higher. We're inching closer and closer to the 15-minute range. Glad I just spotted that. Not trying to go 4 contracts deep. Yeah, I feel like we're going to come back, tap this high of the 15. Just the way this is trying to look right now. It just needs a quick little tap. Doesn't need to go all the way in it. Got some consolidation right here. Buy. I'll be waiting for a buy. We got pushed through the yellow line for me personally. If I'm looking for a buy right now, it needs momentum. I just want to tap this. That 15, we may not get it. We're tapping through my yellow line right there. But we need clean momentum here. Here comes that 15. Let's see if we get it. I want to just tap that 15. You told me. Bro, you didn't say anything. We didn't go up. All right, there's the 15-minute range tap high. That's what I wanted to see because only 5% of the time we keep pushing out of the 15-minute range without coming back to touch it. So now that we touched, I feel better. We got 5 minutes to 10 o'clock as well. 5 minutes till 10 o'clock. On this 1 minute, looking like a trying to build a bull flag. On the 2 minute, it's looking like it's trying to build a bull flag. All right, so we're above the 15-minute range right there. Tapping my yellow line. I want to see more follow through the line so I can jump in here. Get ready to clear the previous candle wick. There we go. We just cleared it right there. Now let's see if we get the follow through. If we get the follow through, I'm jumping in.
Yes, Duane. Guess
Yes,
what
sir.
happened to me today this morning? So I log on early, and I'm like, "Hey, where's my account?" Like I had an account.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, my funded account, because it was my one of my almost funded accounts, sorry, was almost done. I only had a couple more bucks to go, and the credit card that I had expired. Right, I had to get a new credit card. Bro, they deleted the account.
Yeah, they canceled it.
I was so mad. I hit the guy back, like, you look like, oh. I said, what happened to my account? You know, he's like, your card got declined. Yes, I got a new card. Can I get that account back? Like, I'll give you the new card. I'm sorry, you can't get back the account. So I gotta restart all over.
Damn. Sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah,
I'm so mad.
that's annoying. That is annoying.
Yeah.
So, dollar crash out on that.
Yeah. So he credited me like if I had to reset, right? I don't want to reset. I almost got my money.
At least he tried something for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least he wasn't like, no, kick rocks, kid. You know, at least he was like, hey, at least I'll give you a credit.
Man, you know how mad that gets you? You know, like you put 3 days of work in, you know? Like,
Yeah.
then you gotta do it all. Alright, and then I opened the charts because I was talking to them on the little IM thing, messenger thing, right?
Yeah.
And I opened the chart and it shot up. Like, man, I knew it was gonna go up. So bad. I'm just gonna wait for a retrace now.
Yeah, we got a lot of selling pressure up here. That's why I was not buying. We tapped the yellow line, but we didn't have follow through it with momentum. So no momentum, no flag with momentum, no trade. Just saying.
I saw it coming up right at opening because on my EMAs, there was a 15-minute retrace at 9 a.m. 9:15 was bullish. I said 9:30 is gonna go up, and look, it shot up.
Oh, it definitely shot up. Just waiting for the bulls to step in here because we're so close to that 931 level. Like, we came all this way. I feel like we gotta just tap it. Even if we reject off of it, right? At least come up and tap it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that 2 minutes looking like a nice bull flag right there on that 2 minute. So I'm literally just waiting for the momentum. Thank you, Brett. Brett come dropping the knowledge right away. 10 a.m. boys. Thank God we didn't have news today because the market would have been going crazy. No news Monday. Gotta love it. I want to go downstairs and get my nose spray, but I also don't want to go and then this move happen without me. You know, I feel like I've been sitting here patiently waiting. Like, I want to get a piece of it at least.
Yeah,
We're starting-
33 seconds.
We're starting to get some bottom wicks on the Rincos. That's a good sign here.
I mean, Duane, can you run down there and get it in the span of a candle time? A minute?
I could, but the trade could happen faster than that. You know what I'm saying?
You're right, you're right.
That's a buy. We're just waiting for the momentum, bro. No momentum, no trade, fam. Come up to the yellow line. We still have these bottom wicks. So, oh, never mind. No momentum, no trade. I need 3 more trading days on this account in order for me to get a 2K payout on it. Alrighty, well. We're getting some momentum now, just not in the long form. So we're not going pizza. We're not going pizza, boys.
That's fair.
I can see us potentially coming down, testing that pivot point further down. But we got that wick though. We still got that buying wick. So we're in a predicament right now. I want to see a flag. I need a flag here, people. This is the Nasdaq, bro. The Nasdaq. What's up, Born? Right now on the chart that you guys are seeing, this is the 2 minute, the 5 minute, and the Renko bars. Yeah, I feel like we may be trying to build a little bear flag right here, maybe on the 5 minute. want to see a little bit more of a push up though.
Hey guys, I'm out for the day. I'm up like $2,000, and
Nice, bro.
I'm done trading. I gotta get back to work, but that was
Have a
fun.
good day, brother.
Congrats, man. Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing?
What's up, Dave?
Uh,
How y'all doing, man?
Another day in paradise, bro. Another day in paradise.
trying to make a little money.
Trying to make a little money.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get the flush here. We're hugging this yellow line. I'll get ready to close this one. We're gonna get the flag right here, pay us. I'm not liking that price movement. Let's see if we get the flush here. Buyers keep stepping in, so that's why I'm like slightly tempted just to close out. But I want to see us get some momentum down here. Ah, I clicked the wrong button. Frick.
You gonna take yourself out?
By accident. That was by accident.
That's the worst.
Oh. So freaking stupid. Sometimes I thought I had it pulled off to the side because when the finger's just hovering. Let's see if I can re-enter. That's annoying. That's annoying. That's aggy. Let me just rotate because that just aggravated me. I was not trying to get out yet. Oh. No. Good morning, everybody that was jumping in when I was in that trade. Ugh.
Four contracts?
Huh?
4 contracts?
No, I'm in on 3 contracts when I go in back into the market here.
No. The one you just got out of.
Oh, that was 2 contracts.
I stay on the 1 contract. I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson.
Yeah, like on the 5-minute, it looks like it wants to come down. If we lose the yellow line, we're coming on down. Bulls protecting that line. We are currently above the 15-minute range right now. So we are above the 15-minute range. Had a bull flag print right here on this 1 minute.
Wow, shopping.
Mm-hmm.
Big chops.
You ain't lying, Dylan. We're sitting here. We had that big push up at market open, and now we're just sitting here. So we'll see what we get. Come on, Mark. Give us something here. I'm still slightly annoyed that I closed out that trade when I did, because I could have gotten a small green on it.
Oh yeah, bounce back.
I know. But when you have a mental lapse like that, when you weren't trying to close the actual trade,
Right. Pretty frustrating.
yeah. Because I keep my finger over the trigger, you know what I'm saying? So I normally slide it off to the side so I could just drop the finger one time.
Yeah, shoot it. One time take. That's snipe action.
Because I feel like this is going to bring us down. Oh man, let's see.
You need something.
Let's see if I get another chance to get in. Because if the bears step in and go through my yellow line, oh Nelly, oh Nelly.
Lost strawberries today. I had pizza last night and got lost strawberries last night.
It's funny. The family ate pizza last night as well.
What did you guys get?
Just Domino's last night, bro.
Dang. I got Memphis barbecue chicken with onions on it.
Okay, nice.
What did you guys get?
I honestly don't know what they got because I wasn't eating it. But I know we got pizza last night.
Valid. Well, when you be having strawberries for breakfast, more of this microscopic action on for real.
We need some more music. We just finished that playlist. All right, we got a bull flag on the 2 minute. I want to see some follow through. We are above the 15-minute range here. Oh, come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. We're going sideways right now. And sideways, you don't take a trade in. Hopefully it's not like last week. We get that first push when market opens and then we just chop after. Hopefully that's not what's going to happen today.
Yeah, I don't know either. You're just drifting down the river at this point.
Well, we just had a bull flag on the 5-minute as well. Yeah, straight chopping. Straight chopping. Market, do something here. Show us something. I don't care what it is. Give us some type of move. DL, you ain't lying, bro. All right, going through my yellow line there. Coming up to that 931. We'll be there in a second here if we continue. Right back down to close to my yellow line. BP, how you doing, bro? You making money in this? Or you waiting too? All right, there's that 931. Let's see how we react. Oh, we're trading the Nasdaq. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. So we just rejected off that 931. Is it going to start sending us down here? Yeah, no real super clean flags currently, so just wait. Just waiting. Come up on 10:30 in less than 3 minutes now. Hopefully we get something. There he goes.
What's up, man?
What's up, BT?
Just watching the Chop Fest. BP's want to say he's up like $1,200 right now. Just waiting for it.
It's all good.
This is, not gonna lie, watching paint dry right now. It's not fun. It is not fun.
Yeah. No, I'm just hopping on for today.
Oh, so you haven't traded yet today?
Technically not today.
He hit me with a technically. So he took a trade, but technically he has not traded yet.
You see what I was.
You know, I'm here now. I was looking at this chart though, and from our recent like swing points, it came down and like respected that like 6.8 like perfectly. I was like, damn, that would have been an amazing entry actually.
Yeah. Brett wants you to let him hold your pocket.
Yo, this is in prison, bro. Oh, actually, only for Brett. Only for Brett.
Has Bro been watching Prison Break recently or what?
No, I was scrolling on YouTube.
Not Theodore. Not Theodore.
Video.
From Prison Break. My bad. My bad.
Generally, that dude hurt me in that show, but yeah, he came through in the end.
Bro, eyebrows themselves are two moving averages. Hey, they keep moving, bro. Hey, we keep getting these like bear flags, but the bears aren't stepping in.
They're probably stepping around, what? Almost 10:30 you guys' time, so 11, so 10 o'clock my time.
Well, there's a bear flag right there on the 2-minute trying to pay.
Dang.
Yeah, shorts might actually. Oh my god, actually, wait, I'm not bringing this correctly. Hold on.
For me to personally go short, I want to get below the 15-minute range and probably below this yellow line on the 5-minute. Only because that's where buyers kept stepping in at.
Figure out where this manipulation like supposed to go.
I need to eat, man.
Right. 43, 9, 5. No, that's not the flip.
Well, while we're waiting for the market to just do something for us, this coming week, the stream will look different next Monday. Letting y'all know now. I'm not going to be in my glorious office. I'm going to be in Canada. So we're going to be streaming from Canada, making money in the markets.
We're going international.
Bro, that's all we do, Mitch. Come on now, boy. Like,
International.
That's all we do.
Only legendary going to do blind trading out there.
Yeah, I guess.
Like a bucket side for me.
Okay. Well, listen, with the trading, man, you can definitely do it.
I don't want to go to those super hard graveyards and buy one of those cards for cheap.
All right, just had another bear flag print on the 1 minute right there. So I kind of like that. I do like that, but I want to get below this high of the 15-minute range and below that 21 EMA. But what do we know? The flags love to repeat themselves. So I would be expecting another flag to repeat to take us lower.
So I have two projections. If one projection is actually correct, then we've already hit the flip point in the market, which was 932. And if this isn't correct, then I guess the next range we'd be looking for is 985 to 2644. But if the first one's correct, then we should be reversing.
Okay. Reversing it, keep going up or go down?
No, reversing it down.
Okay, just making sure you're not staying full port long. Okay, that's all. Welcome, Kiki. All right, we're tapping my yellow line right here on the 5 minute. This is where the bulls kept trying to step in. Want to see another bear flag now. That's what your boy wants. I need it.
Man, what he wants, people. I'm gonna make a quick phone call to the market.
Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you.
I do want to watch to see what kind of reaction we get whenever we come down to 867.
Listen, if we get a flag, I'll let you know the reaction when we get down to 867 because I'll be in a trade. Trying to do another flag here on the 1 minute. Let's pull the 2 minute up. Same on the 2 minute. Okay. Like I said, I want to get below this yellow line because this is where buyers kept trying to hold the price up at. So for the people wondering, oh, why did he go short when the market was trying to do a little pullback? Well, I knew buyers were buying down here, so I'm not trying to jump in right there. I want to wait for us to get below where the buyers are sitting at to take a strawberry short. You know what I'm saying? Like a strawberry shortcake, but just a short. Just saying.
That's a small piece, you know.
Just a little piece. Because say I put like $2,000 in this account right here today, I could technically request a payout. Technically, but I won't request a payout because I want to build this account up to $10,000 for this one account by the end of the month to take a 5K payout on it. It's $150K funded with Tradeify, so you can request up to 50% per payout. So put $10,000 in, you can take $5,000 out. Looking like a big old bear flag on the 2 minute here. Let's see if we get follow through. We're waiting for the follow through.
We need ES to like drop to make that new low like soon. This is forming a bullish S&P. want it to come down.
Right down to my yellow line once again on the 5-minute chart. Are we going to finally get some follow through? Yeah, those bulls protecting that line. They're protecting, boys. Yeah, babe.
Hey, Dwayne, how we gonna get your nasal stuff, bro?
Alrighty, I'm back. Brenda setting me up a doctor's appointment. She's just confirming times, all that good stuff.
I was saying, how we gonna get your nasal stuff that you were trying to get earlier?
Big homie, I'm not in a trade, fam. At this point right now, I'm waiting for this move. Like, I know as soon as I walk away, the move's going to happen. And then you guys will be, oh, Dwayne, you missed it. You missed it. That's why I'm still sitting here. Not in a trade yet. Still waiting. I took a trade. I would have been able to get out green, but I accidentally closed, which annoyed me on one of my funded accounts. So now instead of only need to put $400 for a 2K payout, now I gotta put 8K, 800, not 8K. Jesus, that'd be crazy. Just patiently waiting for something. I just need momentum. Like this big push up for the right at market open, and then just chopping the rest is quite frustrating. Because that's just like last week. Put that right there. Maybe if I remove this bottom yellow line, the market will start to fall. Think about it.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you're gonna take away its support.
Yeah, it's my fault that the market keeps bouncing right there slightly.
This guy.
Yeah, I'm mad because I haven't even been able to trade the 150K with Lucid a day because I'm trying to put money in the funded accounts, but we're not having movement here because I could scalp on that Lucid real quick on it, which I'm thinking about doing to pass it, but I want to put money in some fundeds first.
Hey, pass that. Right away.
I think it still wants to go for Asia high because either ES or NQ is taking it.
Right now we're just going sideways. Sideways action's the worst action I have.
And I like to drift, but not this kind of drift.
I gotta call T-Mobile today. I gotta get a data plan with them, a business plan for a 5G hotspot to take with me to Canada. So that way the stream could be even and normal for us.
Yeah, T-Mobile is all again though.
T-Mobile's solid for their hotspot. Use NorMed.
I heard Calvary, only T-Mobile was able to work where we're at, just outside of Ottawa, like 2 hours south.
Okay.
Every other service provider was like AT&T, very spotty. You had to like go close to a town, like a bigger town. Everything else was desolate.
Yeah. Yeah, T-Mobile's solid out of the country for the most part, because wherever their deal is with other like providers, they do get like really good 5G outside the states, everything like that. It's through Verizon. Okay, I'll check them out. Is because I want to get something before I go to Canada, so that way when I'm streaming in Canada, it's all even for us. Not trying to have a Boston situation again. All right, we're breaking through the yellow line. Is this going to be the push finally?
Are we building a strawberry flag?
We're going to see. We're going to see. Let's see if we keep coming down. I'm in. I did not get my exact fill I wanted, but I didn't close it either. Okay. Wednesday will be fine. Yeah. Flush it. Let's flush. You keep getting stopped right at that same little line. Take me to the pivot. I personally want the pivot. Come on, Betsy. I may close this one. What was that jump right there? That was crazy. Drop this bad boy. Let's go. Flush it. Like, just waiting for it. It's like, it's just diddle daddling. It's like annoying. Come on. Whenever it's ready. Come on, Betsy. Oh, you're right there, too. I'm not looking at the chat right now, people. I'm in a trade.
We know.
Well, I'm letting the people know in the chat that I'm not looking at the chat right now because I got the finger on the button. All I had to do is release and it'll close me out. We're not getting the follow through.
Well, everybody's green on here. We're all doing great. Legacy, baby.
At least you guys are doing great.
Oh, us guys. All for one, motherfucker.
Yeah, no, we're not getting the follow through. And we got that Bottom wick on that 5 minute right there. I'm gonna give it like a couple more seconds, or else I'm just gonna close this. Not liking the price action. Let's see if we flip it red. All right, just flip that candle red there. Let's see if we get follow through. Oh. Very consolidating right now. I should have taken profit in the green when I could have.
Well, look, if you did, you wouldn't have anything to talk about and teach later.
Well, I don't want to teach this.
No, but yeah, you're showing that even
I closed.
No, you showed how it works, man.
And now that I'm out, watch it dump. Just watch. Just my luck. Let's look at the chat here. What's up, people? How we feeling? Study time. Do I know that I'm live? I think so. I think I know that. I think I know I'm live. I think so. I'm not exactly sure. Not exactly sure.
I'm glad you got out, Duane.
Oh, listen, I told myself I'm not going to give it too much more. I'm mad at myself for just not closing when I had the $600 already locked in. Well, not locked in because I didn't close. So, God, work.
Insane.
What was that?
This market is insane. It ain't even moving.
It's chopping.
Yeah,
It's chopping, boys.
It's an electric slide all over again. It's Harry this time.
I would want it to make that new high, but we still have Asia up there, but I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just chopping.
Yeah, it's just chopping.
At the bigger time frame, like the 1 hour, and I see that we're coming close to like the top of the overall range.
5 minutes
It's
left
kinda
to
like
11.
Thank you, G.
Harry,
5 minutes to 11.
I'm so mad. I should have just freaking closed out at the $600.
That happens, man. Good.
No, I know. Trust me, I know. But it's also one of those things where it's like you kick yourself after the fact. Like, why did he try? I was targeting the pivot point because I thought we were going to keep coming down.
I think it is, though. It's good.
Right now, we're just back in the chop zone.
Pull back.
All right.
So I may do like some scalps at this point on like an eval, 150k eval, just to get it passed. What's up, Steven? Straight chop fest. It is. Take your time, bro. There's no rush to it. can't believe I broke one of my rules today, man. Disappointed with myself. The rule is lock the profit. Green is green. If I wanted big green. What's up, Dylan? You snuck in here.
Yeah, I had to.
Yep.
I think the mom wants to do that 867 that low and fix it off.
Okay.
That was that area I was watching out for.
Yeah. I'm only going to target days of eyes, but I put profit in that girl and I will fix at the weather. Eyes.
It's going a little crazy that 900 area, 908.
We have no momentum right now.
That's neutral.
Hey.
We're trading the Nasdaq, Javi. Trading the Nasdaq, bro.
Yeah, it's just made that new high.
Hopefully the Nasdaq follows. This is an eval, people. This is an eval. I took a stab at something. Thought we were going to have a little bit more push to the upside.
Okay. On 30. Yeah. Area where they want me to do this too. When they go back to the 908. Rock, because I said 11 o'clock. Well, hey. Let me try this shit. I didn't try this one yet.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You can do it. Stalling right here. If the bulls start pushing slightly, we may get a bull flag on the 2-minute here. A small bull flag, but a flag's a flag.
Flag's a flag.
A small bull flag. Oh.
He is in the house.
G's vibing. G's always vibing, people.
He's having a great day.
Rain day for him, obviously.
Oh yeah. He's like, G's green today. We know when he starts doing sound effects.
Man, I saw a video on Instagram on how the trader was explaining that when he has a bad day, he won't talk to nobody, he's not doing anything. When he has a great day, he's reaching out to people he hasn't talked to in a minute, he's going out doing things, he's acting like a fool, like he's got a green day. I was like, nah, that's real, you know? You start doing things you don't normally do when you have a green day.
I'm pretty much the same across the board.
Yeah, I agree. I'm just lazy.
Oh, nothing like chopping. Nothing like chopping.
Oh, I'm chopping.
Why are you chopping?
What up?
What's going on here?
Yeah,
It's a no
it's
news
like
Monday.
chopping. It's
Market
supposed to
decided
come-
just wants to chop after the morning push.
Mark's not being fair. If this is delivering properly, it should go take 933.
Roll from your lips to God's ears, bro. We got no momentum here. No momentum. Let's see. Looking at that 5 minute, if the bulls push, then this is gonna be a solid little bull flag on the 5 minute there.
Yes, just made another new high.
But we need highs on the Nasdaq, bro. That's what I want highs on.
Hey,
Yeah.
you can ES, man. ES in the house.
Yes, in the house. Let's see if we get follow through here. All right, now we're starting to move a little bit, but barely.
Come on, AQ, don't lag. Just go and make the new high already.
That's where I'm at. Come on, Bertha. It's no longer Betsy. It's Bertha at this
That's a
point.
bad omen.
Come on, Bertha. Bertha, come on, girl. Get on up there. Climb that ladder. You can do it.
She's heavy the wrong direction. She's got big fat ankles. She won't get on a ladder.
It just needs to reach out just a little bit more.
Literally almost there. There we go. So close. Come on, just do it.
Like, just swipe it already. Like, just swipe
Yeah.
it.
What's the high?
933.50.
So that's the right?
Getting closer and closer.
Then it goes down. 30. They just playing around, man. I don't know how they do this.
That's it.
I'm holding a little bit longer. We've been waiting for a minute, so
Yeah, maybe try to see if it cooks higher, but let's see if we can go. If you're gonna keep aiming, see if you can go for the Asia. Just
I close.
Oh.
I close. 1240. I close.
WWW.
Psych, what's up? Welcome.
Yeah, I'm annoyed at myself, but it's all good.
Bro, we're both annoyed. But it is what it is. Brett's saying, great call, boys. Listen, that took forever, Brett. That took forever, that one.
You don't gotta worry about him seeing or micro scalping on that one.
Definitely not. I was in that for way too long. Way too long. Like, that was painful. Let's see. Yeah, I'll switch over to one of those. Haven't traded them yet. They've just been sitting. 767. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away 100%, but I rather want my fundings. Eval money doesn't make me excited whatsoever.
One step closer. It's one step closer.
That is true. That is true. This is a select 50K eval that I've had just there. I've had 4 of these bad boys just sitting. Haven't even touched them. So I'm gonna play around with these now. because the market's not moving the way I want to trade any more of my funded accounts. So. We have like zero momentum right now. It's crazy. Actually, let me. I'm gonna try an ATM strategy here.
Yeah, irony of it is it'll probably be a quicker trade than your last one. You go with the ATM strategy. Wow, that only took like 3 minutes. It's like lightning fast.
Currently trailing this here. Moving up in the green as it continues. Probably gonna get stopped out here. In profit though, in profit.
That looks like me whenever I'm trading sometimes. Once it's in green, I'm just like moving them up. Man, I should have just took my trade today.
Don't beat yourself up. You'll have another chance tomorrow, bro.
You can only take one trade a day, and it's only on days ending in Y.
Yeah. It's just every day.
I see, like, moving these lines up. I feel like if there was a faster way to do it, I would probably do this more often. Unless I just set the take profit like crazy high. That's what I'll have to do for the strategy probably.
56, that's a high. If it starts reversing at that point, then hopefully we can keep flushing through it, but...
I had to trade this account for 3 days to get it passed because it's a 3-day for these select accounts. And I'm like, man, I'm making way too much money right now, so I may need to just cut it. All right, there we go. $1,100 on that trade.
W.
Well, I'm gonna go into my ATM strategy right there and tweak it real quick as well. Only because I don't want to have to keep moving the take profit. I'd rather pull the take profit down to get out, but
Can you set like a trailing stop loss and end the trader?
oh, you can have it trail automatically.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out the little stop loss thing on Trade-A-Bait.
On Trade-A-Bait?
Yeah. Like I know you have the ATM, but I was trying to figure out like how you can move the stop loss around. Like
okay, so
trade.
Yeah, all you have to do is, you know how like your price on the right side, you'll see like a little symbol or kind of like a little ticker that like represents your order. You click that and then you move it up and down on the price.
Yeah.
You can't click the line on the chart.
Yeah, it's on the right side where the prices are.
Oh, okay.
And you'll grab it there and slide it up, down or up.
order does have to be confirmed first, because if you just click like where you want your entry and then you hover over like the buy or the sell option, and then you try to like go move it, you can't, because it's just a ghost until you actually click either buy or sell, and then it just the take profit and the stop loss are both ghost orders, and then they become like valid once you actually get entered.
Yeah, Brett, trade of 8.
I get to the top of this range from 2 days ago. I mean, from Thursday or Wednesday.
Let's see if I'm gonna get another chance to jump in here. Want to get above 960.
You know what? I'm actually going to the gym. I have to feel the hurt for not taking this.
Huh?
What'd you say to me?
No, what did you say?
Oh, I said I'm definitely going to the gym today. I have to feel the pain for not taking this one.
No pain, sir.
I can share my screen, right?
Yeah, only the community will see it though.
Oh, okay.
So you could definitely share in there, so the people on YouTube won't see what you're seeing. Golly, that's a lot on your chart. I meant, yeah, nice. That's the 7 tap model right there.
Yeah, take cleaner on the 5 minute. So basically, like, get your break right here, you know, pump liquidity into the zones.
Dang, that's a lot of stuff on that chart.
He's like a cyborg. That's why it works for him. He like
this was that 6-7 level that I was telling you guys about. I was like, I just want to see what happened.
My bad.
I got to react right here, and that's where I would have gone long for my entry. And this is what it looks like on 1 minute though. So you basically had like a clean break here, kind of came back, pumped that liquidity into the zone, left that new high, and came back to grab orders, and hit the new high again. And I just didn't think it was gonna work out. I just wanted shorts to just flush through.
What happens, bro? We all have trades that we wish worked out, and we have trades that we wish we never jumped in on either. So, perks of being a trader, right?
That would have been a clean entry, though.
Yeah. This is like how all like half of my setups look. Sorry for turning your music off.
Oh, my music's still going for the regular stream. I'll put it back for you guys.
damn it, I need my soft jazz. Where'd it go?
I can't trade without the music. I'm honestly just waiting a little bit to see if we get any better moves here.
As soon as we wake through that Asia high, 5-5 or 5-6, yeah, 5-5. I think some PRR style traders would probably be looking to get into a short to then take it down back to like 6-7 level again, or at least 50% of the range, which would be like that 9-12 area.
I'm in the green, boys. I'm in the green.
Looking at that range too for the shorts.
Want to sell?
Yeah, I already locked in profit on it. I'm just gonna trail it on down.
I've seen it as we're already like at the top of that range from like Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday. We hit it on Thursday, we hit the bottom. Friday we hit the top, we're back at the top again. So we could be rotating back at least halfway, 50%.
Yeah.
There we go. $300 right there.
See price action get through 3.6 though and continue. Because if it starts halting, then I respect that bullish jab. want to see a stronger.
What do you mean, bro? I don't know why you feel that way, sir. Now I'm waiting for another flag. I need a flaggy flag.
Yeah, it's not the reaction you'd be wanting to see at the moment. Want to see it.
Oh, I don't care what action. I'm just
Yeah.
scalping at this point. I'll probably try throwing $1,000 in this one as well. And then rotate to one more. Throw another 1,000 in. Brett, if you have your move, there's no reason to be scared, right? But green's green, bro. 615. That's awesome, bro. Congrats. Make sure you're putting your wins and your losses, people, in the discussion in the community, folks. Let's get active, making sure we're posting our stuff in there because it helps everybody. See a slight little bear flag right there on this 1 minute. No flag on the 2 minute.
I think for more shorts, we definitely want to see price stay below like 947.
Okay. But on the 2 minute, this is looking like a bull flag.
Yeah,
That's looking like a bull
too.
flag right there, boys.
Yeah, we didn't get a strong inversion either, so that might sort of back up.
So the 2 minutes looking somewhat like a bull flag. The 1 minute's looking like a bear flag. Decisions. We got those bottom wicks as well, showing some buying pressure.
Way like for a stronger short confirmation, we definitely want to get below like 928. If it's going to do a price rate reversal sort of thing. But that bull flag too, that's alarming.
How can you DM on Legacy? Go to the messages in Legacy. And if you're trying to post in the community, go to the discussion. Now we're getting a bear flag on the 2 minute as well.
We're able to stay below that 947 mark.
I got some profit locked in already. We're going to see how far we can take this. I may get stopped out here in the green, though. I want to see the bear just flush it.
28. If we can push like flush through 28, that would be a 5 minute inversion.
Quick $75 right there.
Yeah, that was a pretty big up.
Taking another stab here. Just re-entered. Stopped out. Mind you, people, I'm just clicking right now, looking for some flags, trying to scalp a little bit. consolidating right here.
It's like it has some indecision about if it's gonna actually flip this or not.
It's like asking a woman what they want for food. Doesn't know what it wants to do.
List 10 options and then they still end up eating your food.
So wild. So wild. All right, so this is going to be on the 2 minute, the flag here, the larger bull flag. We need more momentum though.
Dude, I wish I could play like this. Good music.
I'm glad everyone enjoys the music that I play because I enjoy the music I play. So I'm glad you guys enjoy it as well.
Well, I mean, what it is, you don't want to be like jamming out and like singing along to anything, you know what I mean? Because we've all heard your voice, and it's not anything that needs to be repeated.
100% I agree with you, Steve.
Dang, that's crazy.
It be your own people. It be your own people, boys.
I might just delivering in between two. I wouldn't even touch it right now.
BP's not touching. That means I'm gonna touch it. Just because.
I mean, I want to see it flush down just for like a proper PRR, like strategy, like where it's a price rate, it's made high, and sort of reversing. But sometimes you just keep delivering higher above the liquidity.
We're gonna see if some bulls start stepping in.
I'll be ready.
Made it a little bit, but I wanted more. Just trying out some ATM strategies right now, folks. I'm not trading funded accounts. Already done with those for the day. Have a good day, Brett. I'll be getting off here in a little bit as well, folks. It's Monday, so I gotta send invoices, all that great stuff out. Then Wednesday stream, I will be getting off right at 11 on Wednesday. Because
What are you doing on Wednesday?
I have a big meeting with a new client. Like pretty much a break-even wave. But yeah,
I'm back.
have a big meeting and walkthrough with a new client, big corporate client. So gonna be doing that on Wednesday afternoon. So I have to jump off the stream at 11 so I could get dressed, get out of here. and get to the place because we gotta go to 5 properties for them.
Oh, see, picked up the contract on all 5. That's nice.
Yep. Come on, Betsy. Go ahead, girl. There we go, Bertha. Made a little bit more there. I definitely see for me having an ATM strategy going, I'll definitely be taking way more trades. Bertha, go ahead. I see what you want to do. You want to go higher. You just need someone to pick you up and take you there.
Hey, now you're getting in like the soul love song. I'm gonna pick you up, baby.
Made $5 on that trade. $5. Honestly, bro, you need to trade with the prop firm. I'm gonna keep telling you, man. It's the best way to trade, the safest way, protects your actual capital, and you really don't have to think about margin when trading with a prop firm. Come on, Bertha. You know what you're supposed to do right now, girl. What time you getting off stream today? I'll probably be getting off in like the next 10 minutes here. I gotta send invoices out for one of my companies. They recommend any proper struggling. I recommend Tradeify, Take Profit, Trade on Lucid. This is an eval that I'm messing with the ATM strategy and people. Not a funded account, just so y'all know. Yep. Grateful. Props are the way to do this, people. It saves you money and headaches and heartache. Trust me. Let's see if he's going to run. Or is it going to run to my stop loss?
It's running somewhere, just a question of where.
No, it looks like it's trying to run to my stop. We got those selling wicks on those candles on the 5 minutes, so... Well, people, I think I'm going to be jumping off here. It's coming up. It's already 11:45 almost, so I'll probably just jump off. And we'll have the traders hang out tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be vibing. We're going to growing. We'll be vibing, growing, and talking about trading. So come vibe up with us. We're going to have some fun. Legacy, like always a pleasure, gentlemen.
Thank you for everything.
No, of course, Steve. I got y'all. So Steve, Neil, G, Carmona, Mitch, iPad 7, BP, and Sylvester. Fellas, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Likewise.
I will talk to you guys later this evening.
TP in the house.
All right, boys. Stay safe.
Yep.
Grateful. That's awesome. I'll be in Canada this coming week, actually. I'll be up in Canada on Sunday for a couple days. YouTube, always appreciate y'all tuning in, hanging out with us. Love chilling and making money with y'all. Sometimes losing money with y'all. But I'll see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Make sure you tune in. We're going to have some fun like always. And remember, stay safe in the markets, people. Have a good day.